What up, traders? I am Agbasama Odi, the Liquidity King and the AUD as the Sniper Trader back on your screen. And in this video, I'll be talking about how I became consistent as a trader. And if you're in a state where you're losing money to the market and you're having a second thought if trading will really work out for you, then this video is for you, because I'll be stating points that have helped me found consistency trading the market, and I believe it will do the same for you. So sit tight and listen to the points that I have to share. So the first point on my list is I stopped chasing quick money. Now, when I started, all I was thinking about was flipping money. I didn't have any clear plan for the money I funded, and I had a lot of disheartening moments because I gave the money to the market. I was just fixated in making money in the market. So if you're getting started, the first thing you really want to do in this environment is to get the right resources that can help you thrive in this business and avoid chasing quick money in this market. And the second on my list is I focused on one setup and one pair. Now, when I started, my watch list were bombarded with a lot of pairs, right? And as I went along in my journey, I didn't realize that less is more. So what I did was I shelved off all the pairs that I had on my watch list, and I just focused on AUD USD, and that was what brought about me calling myself the AUD USD Sniper Trader, because I focused on AUD USD for about a year and 6 months, and I documented how price reacted to the strategy I trade. And also, for a trading strategy, you really don't want to bombard yourself with a lot of trading strategy. Just focus on one mentor and what works for him. And if you can traditionally practice and follow just that setup, regardless of whatever someone is saying that is a holy grail or whatever, then I can tell you for a fact that you start becoming consistent in this market. And the third on my list is I start journaling all my trades. Now, journaling helped me because when I started, I was just trading without journaling, and I didn't really had price data that I could go back to and reflect for my trade. So when I adopted journaling, I started seeing growth, because after I take trade for a week or for a month, I go back to my journal and see how I acted and my result trading off my setup. And with that, I started spotting patterns that made me perform more better, and I just simply focused on those patterns right now trading the market. So if you want to become more consistent in the market, I can tell you adopting journaling will help you see through how you approach the market and will help you spot your strength in different market conditions, and with that you can use that as your edge trading in the market. And the fourth on my list is I became disciplined and patient. This helped me because after reflecting back on my journal, then I started spotting patterns that had higher probability of the market doing what I am anticipating. Now, past data does not guarantee future price movement, but with journaling, it helps me spot higher probability setups. And what I simply do now on the price chart, if I don't see those high probability setups, I just simply patiently wait for the market to form those patterns and the logic behind me trading such patterns on the price chart, and I simply execute, and I discipline myself to let the trade run and do whatever it want to do. Either it goes to my direction, or if it goes against my direction, then I simply just journal the trade again as well and learn from whatever the outcome is. And the fifth point that made me more consistent in the market is I follow my risk management rules strictly. Now, when I started, I didn't really prioritize risk management. As I went along, I realized the need to actually map out a risk management plan for myself. And when I did that, I started seeing some significant growth because it allowed me risk some certain percentage of my account size, and it made my emotion not be all over the place while trading or while being in a trade. So if you really want to be consistent in this market, then prioritize risk management and risk certain percentage of your account size, and it will help you stay relaxed whenever you're in a trade, and it wouldn't make your emotion be all over the place if the market is not going as you anticipate. And the last on my list is I accepted losses as part of the game. Now this really helped me because when I started, I felt each losses was the market attacking me. Now it all changed when I started shifting my mindset in probability and also understanding that losses is part of the game. So me accepting that losses are part of the game made me to treat the market with some form of probability and manage risks to the fullest. So if you're getting started and you want to really see consistency in trading the financial market, one of the things you need to adapt is understanding that losses are part of the game and you just simply have to accept it for what it is. And in most cases that the market don't go your direction as you speculated, that it is part of the game, because everyone have their fair share of losing streak in the market. So all you have to do whenever you're in a stage where you are acquiring losses in the market is just simply manage risks to the fullest and also follow your trading plan strictly, and I can tell you, you will become more consistent if you follow these rules. So traders, these points that I stated in this video are the things that have made me become more consistent in the financial market. And if you found value in this video, kindly like, share, subscribe, and in the description you will see the link to join my free Telegram channel where I post trade ideas and setup. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop trading content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.